Alright guys, here we are. Here at the job at West End, and the My House Removal guys have just taken all the gear out and we've just locked up. Everything's out. There we are. The house is up. A couple of extra posts in there to hold it all up. Now we have the plumber coming in tomorrow, and then the concreter, get the slab in, and then I bring the steel beams in to put up once I've got a nice level floor to work with. So yeah, all looking good. Look at that, beautiful. I've got extra blocks still over there in the end, over there. So I've got stuff to work with when I get the steel beams. Because some of those steel beams are, what is it, we've got 14 metres long. So I won't be doing all those on any duct lifter. Alrighty, we will catch up with you soon as we show you more about what happens here at West End. Thanks for joining us. Come again soon and catch you on the next one. See ya. Bye.